Marhaba, ahla wa sahla fikum. We have a great video today. We're going to do a new one. And of course, we have a new person with us. Who's this person? It's Batool. Ahla wa sahla fiki. Batool is one of our great instructors here at CGE Jordan. And I just figured that, I just thought of this. Danny did one last time and I said he was a good instructor. They're all great instructors. So anyway, ahla wa sahla fiki.
Ahlan fik.
All right, so the lesson we have today is about this word, ma. Okay, and it's even more than that. It's how do you use ma to make exclamatory statements, not inflammatory, exclamatory. That means like with the ta'ajjub, with the exclamation point. So Arabs use this a lot. But first, before we do that, we know some of you have a background in Fusha, in the MSA. And so let's go ahead and just take a look so you don't get too confused. We're going to cover how these are used commonly in MSA spoken and both spoken in MSA. So, أول إشي we have here بتول MSA, MSA only. إيش أول جملة؟
ما اسمك.
Okay, ما اسمك. So ما اسمك here, or ما اسمكي for the girl. This is how you say what's your name in Arabic, okay, in Fusha. Now, a lot of the channels you guys are going to get on, you'll hear them say the most common phrases. How do you say masmuki? Do you say masmuki? Have you ever, anybody Arab ever said masmuki la'ilik? Yani, it's, they don't say this. Yeah, it's Fusha. It's written. The point is, we're trying to say here is, guys, ma is used here to mean what? So it's an interrogative, it's a question. What is your name, or what? You know, there's a lot of ways to use it. It means what? With a question mark, okay? Now here, let's see this. This is commonly used. What's this one?
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. So this is taken straight out of MSA, but it is used because it has a religious tone, MashaAllah. And it literally means what God has willed. So it means what as well, but without the question. And this is very narrow. It's not used that much. There's other ways to say what in MSA. That's a whole nother lesson. صح بدنا نتجنب هذا حط على هيك على جنب. يعني كثير far away. Let's go here to the spoken only. This is how it's used only in spoken. You're going to find this. You're going to find this is not going to be found in MSA. فخلينا نكتب أو نقرأ الجملة.
ما جاب المصاري.
Okay. ما جاب المصاري. ما جاب المصاري. He didn't bring. So this is a nefi. He didn't bring the money. You might say, well, wait a minute. This is a nefi, but there is in Islam, in the Quran, that you might find one or two circumstances where you're going to find this used as a nefi. Yeah, but it's used with an ism. It's not used with a verb. And it's very rare. Not even used in MSA, according to Batool. All right? So if you find that to be a mistake... So sorry. I threw you under the bus there, Batool. Anyway, ma jab is for, of course, this is a verb. So we're going to have this before a verb, also before, this is a past tense, present tense, could be an amr as well, a command. Yani, ma jibi, masalan. Don't bring the money. Or we could say jibi al-masari, bring the money. But this is a nefi, okay? So that's how that's used, and this is important. But it's not where we're going today, but that's how it's used only in spoken. Now here we have the the استعمال المشتركة أو مشترك being بعد for ma in spoken in MSA. What's the first one here?
بعد ما أكل نام.
Okay. بعد ما أكل نام. So this is after he ate, he slept. Or he went to sleep. Now, so this here is a connector. Ma here is a connector. It has no meaning. But it connects what? This bad after with a verb. And this is used a ton. It's used a lot. So we could say قبل ما. Can you think of some others? Maybe?
بعد ما.
بعد ما, قبل ما, زي ما حكيتي.
مثلا بعد ما شرب لعب مع إخوانه.
Yeah.
مثلا.
So, but it's not only used with ba'd, it could be used with many
Gebel.
others. Yeah. Gebel, zayma. There's many others that escapes our memory right now. But there are many others. So this one, what's the other way it's used in MSA and spoken? And this is the meat where the lesson's going, right here.
ما
Let's read
أحلى البيت.
All right. ما أحلى البيت. لاحظوا. Notice there's علامة تعجب here. The exclamation point. Ma here is, it is, you translate it as how. How beautiful is the house.
صح.
Like, wow, what a beautiful house. You know, that's what it means in English.
صح.
So when Arabs use this, think of that. They're thinking, wow, what a beautiful house. You know? So that is how it's used here. Now, we're going to look at this because this is the lesson for today. Let's go, if we can, to slide رقم 6. All right, so here we are. Now, you can see the ma here. There's the ma. And these are different adjectives, okay? Well, the adjectives are here. Now, what we did here is we made them superlatives, basically, or the comparatives. So this is حلو, all right? And this is, how do we say this one?
أحلى.
أحلى. So, حلو, أحلى. حلو is handsome, beautiful, or sweet.
صح.
And this is more handsome, more beautiful, more sweet. Okay? So, that is what's happening here. When we put the ma before ahla, we get how beautiful or how great. So we're going to take it up a notch. Wow, how beautiful. And this is, of course, this is like hada, but we just say hal, yani has-sayyara. Okay? So, let's just put these together, Batool. Ready?
Ready.
All right.
ما أبشع.
Well, let's go with this one first, then we'll go to this one.
ما أحلى هالسيارة.
All right. ما أحلى هالسيارة. ما أحلى سيارة. So this means how beautiful is this car. This car. Let's do it with this one.
ما أبشع هالسيارة.
ما أبشع السيارة. So this بشع means ugly. So how ugly is this car?
So.
All right. And here we're going to need a new one because cars don't have brains.
هاي أذكى.
So let's put an ism here.
ما أذكى هالطالب.
هالطالب. Okay. All right. There we go. ما أذكى هالطالب. Or طالبة for a girl. ما أذكى هالطالب. All right, so that means how smart. So dhiki means smart. This means how smart. Wow, how smart is this student?
So.
Yeah. So, this is what they've said to me sometimes as a student. Let's do that one.
ما أغبى.
ما أغبى هالطالب. Oh, it's good that we have this in Mudhakkar here, right? Because we all know boys have a little problem in school these days. Ghabi is stupid or dumb. How stupid is this talib? All right? This student. How stupid is this student? All right? Now let's do another one here. Let's go with, and we already did that. Let's go with this last one. All right. What is this used for? Because we say zaki.
للأكل.
للأكل. Now don't be confused. That's thel and this is zan. And so this one we can say for what? Let's just do this. Yeah. We're going to say wajbeh. We could say akil, but we already did that. So let's go with wajbeh. All right. So let's hear it. Batool.
ما أزكى هالوجبة.
ما أزكى هالوجبة. هالوجبة وجبة meal. So how delicious is this meal? That's what that means. All right. Notice all of them have this here because it's exclamation point. Now, there's some other things we're going to tell you about this real quick. Can we use this for people?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so if you want to tell a guy how handsome he is, all right?
ما أحلاك.
ما أحلاك. ما أحلاك. Notice here with ما أحلاك, we have a ضمير متصل, right?
صح.
All right? So we're putting a ضمير, the suffix pronoun, on the end. And that's an attached pronoun, suffix pronoun, same thing. ما أحلاك. For a girl, ما أحلاكي. Or we could say ما أحلى سيارتك. So now we're putting the ضمير on the end, which that's how you can use these. So let's do one more. Can you give them an example, مثلا for this one? Yani, if you're talking to a student and you want to encourage a student.
ما أذكاك.
ما أذكاك. أيوة. What if it's a group?
ما أذكاكم.
ما أذكاكم. Okay, you got that? ما أذكاكم. This becomes alif, and then you have the kaf, and then the mim. Okay, so that's how you can say this. This is wonderful. Good job, Batool, on that. Now, there's another way we can do this. All right, so we have a secret surprise here. We didn't just give you these to see this. Batool is going to write a word here that we use right in front of these.
Shoe.
All right, so we can say shoe. And what does shoe mean?
How?
It doesn't mean shoe like kundara. So it doesn't mean shoe like you buy, wear.
Shoe how?
How? Well, like what? But here, translated, it means like how beautiful, yeah.
شو حلو.
Yeah, yeah. But you know what? In English, Batool, we can also say, what a beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah, like what a beautiful car. Yeah, we could do that. So the translation could be like that for you guys if that helps you to remember it. All right, so let's go here. Let's say we want to do these with these. Can you do that, Batool?
شو حلوة هالسيارة.
شو حلوة هالسيارة. Notice the ta mabuta because this is feminine.
صح.
Okay? شو حلوة هالسيارة. What if we're talking about a guy?
شو حلو هالزلمة.
هالزلمة. Yeah. How handsome is this guy? Yeah. Or what a handsome guy, right? Because that's shoe is what? What a handsome guy. All right, let's go with this one.
بشع. شو بشعة هالسيارة.
شو بشعة تامبوتا هالسيارة. How ugly is this car? Let's go with this one here. Zeki.
ذكي. شو ذكي.
ذكي, yeah.
شو ذكي هالطالب.
شو ذكي هالطالب. What a smart student.
صح.
All right.
وشو غبية هالبسة.
شو غبية هالبسة. What a stupid cat. The cat is so stupid. It ran right in front of my car and I just ran over it. Which hasn't happened yet. But let's go with this one here.
شو زاكية هالوجبة.
شو زاكية هالوجبة. How, like, what a great, or what a delicious meal.
صح.
All right. So, great lesson. Good job, Batool.
شكرا.
Batool did a great job. So, encourage Batool in the comments. Also, like and share this video. We're doing some really good things here at CGE. And these videos, these lessons are free. So please do try to encourage us and get the video out to people who have an interest in Arabic. This is an intermediate lesson, but it is, of course, as always, something that's used a ton, right? Every day, يوميا.
أكيد.
So anyway, we'll see you guys, inshallah, المرة الجاي.
إن شاء الله.